Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So it has been a hot minute since I have made a video. I think it's been since last November 2023, I think. So it's been quite a while, but I am back and today I'm going to do a Valentine's DIY lollipop. So last year I also made this for my son to take to school for all of his friends, and so many of the other parents and his teachers loved them. And I thought, why not show you guys what I did? And also so he can take it to his new class this year. When my husband went to the store, I was actually FaceTiming him like the entire time. He first went to Target and then Walmart. Target really didn't have that much, surprisingly, but Walmart did. And when I got all the supplies last year, Walmart was where I went. So the hard part was that I was going to do the exact same thing that I did last year just because it was such a hit with everybody. Everybody loved them, but they didn't have all the things that I did last year. So I'm really just gonna wing it and see what I create. So I had him get a bunch of different type of things just in case one idea didn't work out, but then also to have a variety because I thought that would be good too, just so it wasn't all like the same. Anyway. Oh, these pants are tight. Okay. So the first things that you guys will need are paper plates. So I had him get heart ones, pink ones, and then these in case these ones just don't work out. I want to make this look somewhat put together and neat, just so it's not a whole big blob of everything. Pretty much, I think what I'm going to do is just give you inspiration and ideas as I go. But as I was saying before, the stuff that you'll for sure need are paper plates. Oh goodness gracious. Okay, there we go. So you would first want to bend it inward. Sadly, they only had one pack of these, probably because we were so late at getting Valentine's Day stuff, but it's okay. So for each lollipop, you will need 2 plates, and it's gonna go like this, that you'll tape together. You'll wanna take a pencil. Some people, I think, use straws if they're like sturdy enough. And you're gonna take one side of your paper plate. So you're going to tape it right here to make sure it's secure. We don't need it flopping around. Last year when I did these, I know that I definitely ran out of this stuff. So that is why I had my husband just get a bunch of everything. And whatever we don't use, we can always just save it for either something else to do, or we can just return it. And now we are going to fill it. Oh goodness. So do you just put it in like this? All right, cool. My handy dandy scissors. Yeah, there you go. All right. And I know that it's okay if we put like stuff that has peanut butter, just because his teacher gives this type of stuff out. So you don't have to worry about any allergies in his class. They're gonna want more than just Kit Kat. All right, so we got a variety. Yeah, not too bad. Just make sure that they all get one of each. Some suckers. So after you fill it up with all the little goodies, you want to take the other side, and now you're gonna tape it together to make sure that the stuff can't fall out. You know, actually this heart plate doesn't look bad, like flipped outward, like how these ones from last year did. I'm still gonna try it with these ones just to see how it does, but it was just too wrinkly looking, and we don't want wrinkles. I think 2 days ago I watched the Super Bowl halftime show that Rihanna did like 2 years ago. And her songs have just been like stuck in my mind where I just sing them on repeat. All right. Oh, I need some, oh goodness, you see? You don't want anything, ooh, falling out. Hello. Oh, work with me. I'm not sure if some people think that this is extra of, you know, something to do, but if you know me, I'm definitely an extra person. Oh gosh. Oh no. Why is it doing that? You know what, we're learning as we go together, so. Oh no. It definitely didn't bend, oh. Definitely didn't bend like this last year. I mean, it's so cute, right? Oh. Oh, wait, is that what I did? Did it bend? I think I actually taped it. Okay, wait, hold on. So to prevent it from bending, try taping the bottom just like crazy all the way around on each side. Okay, moment of truth. I think we did it. I mean, there's still a slight bend, but it's cute. So now you can either leave it like this, but with me being extra, of course you have to add more things. Okay, so now you just want to scrunch it and make a pretty little bow. So you could obviously leave it like this, or it needs something else. That's not enough. It's not enough. So let me see how I can make it a little bit more bedazzled. So do I want to use cute, cute. Let's see what the darker one looks like. I think this one's for this. So I guess you just peel it right off and you just stick it. Maybe, or not. Either way, it's gonna be fine. Okay. Maybe, yeah, we can fix it. We can fix it, hold on. Hold on a second. Let me see. Let me work my magic. Let's try fixing this. Oh my goodness. So this is actual garland that my husband got. Okay. So I can just like tape this inside. You see, I think once you start adding more, it'll look okay. I think I should have definitely put this higher. So, you see, we're learning together. Let's just go with it. Oh, where's my tape? Let's add some of these. You see, good thing he got like a bunch of little things here and there. I don't know if you can see that heart right here. It's cute, right? I'm just gonna show you the way that I did it last year. I want to first add a pencil. The more I look at this, the more it grows on me actually. Because yes, it's totally out there and not what you would typically see, but it's got character, right? I actually like it. I'll place it right there for y'all to look at. Okay. The nice part is that this is long enough for smaller plates. You want it down far enough so you can have some of this at the end, but you also want it covering a lot. What do you think? There we go. no. Does that look like a heart? Oh no. Why doesn't this look like a heart on here? What do we think? So, here are 2 ideas so far. Do you have a favorite so far? Oops. It's definitely different. I think they're cute and they're fun. Sometimes you just gotta press down hard to keep everything in place. Okay, what do we think? Yeah. This year for Valentine's Day, I thought it would be fun after our kids went to sleep to do like a little picnic in our living room and have like a mini date. I thought that would be fun. Oh, hang on. Let me make sure it's in the right spot. Right there. How cute. Let me add, I like the red that we have going on here, so I think I'm gonna use a red heart. I just feel like little details like this can always make it stand out a little bit more. Then we just add it somewhere on the inside. Let's pull that. I definitely need to fix that. Okay. I actually love this one. How cute. Definitely like this one. I think using this as well makes a huge difference. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That would really help my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.